Yeah. Greetings in the name of His Imperial Majesty, Kings of Kings, rule the Lord's conquering land of the tribe of Judah, light of this world and elect of Himself, King of Kings, Ali Selassie, and the Empress Menen. Greetings to all ones and ones and ones and ones and ones. Yeah. Yo, greetings, peace, love and unity. But the fools judge me on the scrutiny. You'll find that you're fuckery, no foolery. Simply peace, love and unity. From a juvenile on the puberty. Been a true artist in a community. Don't promote wickedness, no cruelty. Just peace, love and unity. Hey, good evening and good night. I get to see it greeting. I bring like half pint. Bars always tight. I never on point. I lie. Sharp like the teeth in a sharp bite. Everything I read it alright. It's what the bad mind try for now a searchlight. I and I do a judge I love at first sight. So please respect my sovereignty and my birthright. Greetings, peace, love and unity. But the fools judge me on the scrutiny. Can't find how you fuckery, no foolery. Simply peace, love and unity. From a juvenile on the puberty. Been a true artist in the community. Don't promote wickedness, no cruelty. Simply peace, love and unity. Greetings I bring from Jah to all. Greetings I bring from Jah to all. Rest of all and I. Pull out that one selector. Alright, so I just wanted to take the one down selector. I just wanted to set the tone of the evening. First things first. And bring some peace and love in the air, you know, because we're going to get grimy, we're going to get deep, and we're going to get dark before the night's over. But first we've got to set it off on the right foot. I see lots of friends and family inside the building, it's very good. We all know why we're here? Yeah. So when I say Osiris, you say what? Osiris? Osiris? Now you would have knew this if you was there a couple minutes ago, but it's all good, we're not going to complain. Osiris Rex is a project coming out to you on For the Culture Records, yes? It's DJ JTL. It's man like Enos, it's man like Wordsworth, brothers of mine. They came together and collected and formed like Voltron or the Mighty Morphin Power Rangers in this Bamba club. And you know, unity is strength. We're strong on our own, but when we get together, we're even stronger. And they presented a beautiful piece of art. I listened to it last night. I'm not talking up my bum. I can vouch for it. And I won't give my word if I don't believe it. So big them up. All right, what we got next to them, DJ? Let me get a day like this. It's meant to be summer, innit? What happened to summer, guys? When I say British, you say summer. British. Come on, day like this. Hey. We're gonna warm it up a little piece, like I said. Hey. Love a summer day when the sun ablaze. So bring your sun to play and put your gun away. Hit JD's new cricks runaways. Fresh white tea, we saying babes. We love a summer day like this. In the neighborhood I run away like this. My mind stay drift under a high grade spliff. I wish every day could stay like this. Hey, love it when the sun blaze like this. In London nearly every day is grey like this. Love a summer's day when it don't rain like this. Oh hey. It's a summer's day, my dog. Since I was a juvenile, I used to play my pork. Don't see enough cloud, no rain or fog. I look up to the sky and say, if you're ungrateful, then it may seem odd. But me, I sing, give thanks and praise like Bob. But I don't see no hope, the police don't. So today's a good day, like Ice Cube was. Cause mama cooked the breakfast without no pork. My children are listening without no talk. Red string vessel on my parky shorts. To the park, of course. 19 degrees, so it might seem cold. Man, I'm showing these and beating ice cream cones. No place like home, more I've been told. Roll to the hood front of the yellow brick road. Yo, day like this in the neighborhood, they run away like this. Might stay if under a high grade split. I wish every day could stay like this. Hey, love it when the sun blaze like this. In London, nearly every day is grey like this. Love a summer's day when it don't rain like piss. Pull out that one selector. Summer, I should have jumped on the easy jet and went Spain. Yeah? Alright, no. Next one. Alright, so So it was a good day. It was a good day. But we have to remember where we're coming from. So we're going to take a trip. Big up my grandparents that came to this country back in the 60s and 50s. In the Windrush generation to come and contribute and put our bricks onto the fabric that is this country that we call England. So run the Windrush from me, selector. Alright. England, England, but don't forget where you come from. All migrants after all, innit mate? All migrants after all. Yo, Windrush generation, hey. This one a celebration of the Windrush generation, hey. Windrush, pull up. So nice, we must play twice. Could you possibly play that one again? Hey, England, England, but don't forget where you come from. Yeah, yo, when they sing Windrush generation, oh, this one a celebration of the Windrush generation, oh, Windrush generation, oh, pick up every West Indian, it's a Windrush generation, oh, there's a couple things there that we have to discuss. From my people must come and they call it Windrush. They're working at the factory, I drive bus. They're working at the hospital at night nurse. They love the country, look at how they treat us. Anything we do with pride and purpose. Every pretty little island for this ice and frost. What away the place of code there, but Lord Jesus, hey, Windrush generation, oh. This one a celebration of the Windrush generation, oh! Windrush generation, oh! With the major on Jamaica, it's a Windrush generation, oh! Windrush generation, oh! Pick up every West Indian, it's a Windrush generation, oh! Windrush generation, oh! Let's believe we are the children of the Windrush generation. Never come up Britain to eat fish and chips. Plus we have a deeper ackee as with national dish. Take it on that, selector. Take it out. Never come up Britain to eat fish and chips. Plus we have a deeper ackee as with national dish. If you ever go Grenada, see some much spices. Big up all my people from the West Indies. No blacks, no dogs, no Irish. Cause the English gal I love where we're so stylish. Come from the Caribbean, but I'm not pirate. Sister, every day you're cold and grey and we not like it. Hey. What else we got there real quickly? Alright, use up. Should we get some real hip hop shit? Because I know that the event, the context of the night is real hip hop shit, yeah? So when I say real hip, you say hot, real hip, real hip. Give me the Pilgrim selector. Yeah. Man, have fun with all the genres. But I started with this boom bap shit. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? First starts good, but usually turns evil. First is books and next they burn people. Last of my faith, eat what you will. Make sure you're ready when it's time for the bill. Sooner or later we all take a seat at the bank with the consequences. Bon appetit. Tea, ask for the August moon. But the 60 seconds always gone too soon. From the maternity ward to the crematory, yeah, but the graveyard. 96 tears, 96 eyes. Fly on the wall, well dressed in disguise. Night at the Saracen, light up the garrison. Chinese fireworks, not just light in comparison. God made man, man made slaves. That shit street neck deep that don't make waves. Real hip hop, real hip hop, real hip hop, just don't stop. Yo, when the kick drum kick and the hi-hat slaps, I think killer move a couple freestyle raps. Feel it in your belly when the bass line comes. I said people are you ready in the old place. When the kick drum kick and the bass line, I please the people, couple B-side tracks. Finish up this EP and I'll be right back. And I mean my killer move a couple freestyle raps. Master my silence, master my grace. Cut the talk short like the arm of a thief. Cut to the chase, kick drum and the bass. Bad boy for life. No Diddy and Mace. Hey, I never grew up on TikTok, grew up on the old school. Real hip hop ideas and themes, nightmares and dreams. Be right every my nightmares and dreams. Alright, bring that one down to the top. any further because I think, are we warm? Are we warm? I think we're kind of pretty warm, yeah? Alright. So I'm gonna get one more before I go. What you got one? Would you want? This is we live in 2024. It's an on-demand society, yeah. Would you look like caption A, England, caption B, Mercy, or caption C, guinea pig? Which one would you like? A, B, or C? Alright, how we're gonna do it is this. Option A, England. You don't love England, no? What? Listen. It's not about the government. We love each other. That's the main thing, right? All right. Bun number 1. Number 2 was Mercy. All right. Number 3 was guinea pig. All right. Mercy it is. Give me the Mercy. Democratic. So this is real democracy. Rag on for president. All right. Lord of mercy, yo, hey, Lord of mercy, let me get a blessing for the desperate and the thirsty. Clean my heart and soul because you know my hand are dirty. Every year still live to see another anniversary. Lord of mercy, hey, Lord of mercy, Lord of mercy, Lord of mercy for the help me. Feed the homeless and the hungry and chase to the evil at the country. Bring to the puppy, one gunshot for every undie. Clean water for all the thirsty and guide every program on this journey. Heart, this world is merciless. Feed us with your holiness, cleanse us with your godliness, for godliness and cleanliness. Lord of mercy, Lord of mercy, bless my wife and pick me when we sing again. Mercy, let me get a blessing for the desperate and the thirsty. Be more heart and soul because you know my hand are dirty. Every year still live to see another anniversary. Lord of mercy, Lord of mercy. Over everything we put the Father firstly. Bless me and anoint me so you know they cannot curse me. Do you hear a prayer like my in the on a prayer sheet? Lord of mercy. When I say Mr, you say B, Mr, Mr. When I say J, you say Cliff, J, J. Got Mr. B and J Cliff make your way to the stage, my brothers. They're about to bless you with some excellent music and entertainment. Make them feel as welcome as you made me feel. Come on guys, make them feel welcome. Yo, fucking make some noise. Come on, Ragamuffin Rebel, come on. That's how you set it off from. Yo. Now we got the vibes, smoothness incarnate.